Rồi.
This is the story about the blooms. Mom, Dad, 3 boys and a bird. In 2013, Mom gets hurt. She can't walk. One day, one of the boys finds a baby magpie. It's her too. The boy brings it home. This bird is black and white. So they call her Penguin. The blooms help Penguin get better. Soon she can fly. Penguin helps the blooms too. In the morning, she flies into the bedroom and the boy gets up. She sits with Mom in the afternoon. At 3 o'clock, Penguin goes to the garden and waits. The boys come home from school. Now they can play. With Penguin, the boy, the blooms are happy again. One day, Penguin fly away. The blooms love Penguin, but they aren't sad. Now she with other birds.